Do you know what is India's world ranking in artificial intelligence? United States is at number 1, China at number 2, and India is at number 3. According to Stanford University's report, India is now ahead of the United Kingdom, South Korea, Canada and Israel. What's even more astonishing is that India jumped from 7th place to 3rd place in just 1.5 years. So how did this happen? And more importantly, how you can be a part of this AI revolution. Let's break it down. Number 1, the hardware revolution. The government's India AI mission put rupees 10,000 crore on the table. We solved our biggest weakness, lack of hardware, by establishing a massive 10,000 plus GPU supercomputing facility. Plus, our new national data governance framework finally gave our startups the fuel they needed, with high quality datasets in our local languages. This wasn't just funding, it was a foundation for the future. Number 2, the talent explosion. India now has the world's fastest growing AI workforce. Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 new tech jobs in India today require AI skills? India recorded the highest year-on-year growth in AI-related hiring globally. Simply put, India doesn't just have population scale, it has talent scale. Number 3, from service to product. India's explosive AI-first startup ecosystem have shifted from a services hub to a product powerhouse, securing record-breaking funding to build AI made by India for India. And on a personal note, thanks to all your love and support, I was invited to a very special program under the SOAR, which is the Skilling for AI Readiness initiative on New Year's Day 2026 at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. The program was graced by the Honorable President of India and many distinguished guests were there. It was a proud moment not just for me but for India's AI journey. Now the big question is, how can you contribute to this AI mission? The Honorable President of India, Srimati Droupadi Murmu, has launched the Skill the Nation Challenge. And here's how you can take part. The Government of India has launched the AI for All course. It is free, it has excellent beginner-friendly content, and you receive official government certificates. It is for everyone: students, parents, teachers, professionals, and even senior citizens. It is available in multiple Indian languages. I have completed the course myself and earned these badges and certificates. If I can do it, then so can you. So guys, go ahead and take the course. Share it with your family and friends. Link is given in the description. Help spark a national chain reaction of AI learning and pride in skilling. And for students who want to go deeper into AI concepts such as AI project cycle, domains of artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, and Python coding, then you can explore our AI courses at manochaacademy.com or our Android app, Manocha Academy. Our programs are aligned with the CBSE and ICSE artificial intelligence curriculum. So go ahead and check out our AI courses. Link is given in the description. So let me ask you again, are you ready to upskill yourself? Are you ready to take up the Skill the Nation challenge by the Honorable President? Are you ready to contribute to a Viksit Bharat by 2047? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and take the AI for All course and share your certificate using the Skill the Nation hashtag, and let's spark a national chain reaction of learning.